So, ito po, I am sharing my travel experience, my very first domestic travel experience. Well, ito po ay pa-birthday naman sa akin. Kaya, syempre, lahat dito first time. First time kong mag-birthday sa ibang lugar. First time kong makapunta ng airport sa loob mismo habang tinitingnan ko yung tagyawat ko dyan. Tapos, ayan, nakita ko siya sa, window. Tapos, yan, dyan namin lagay yung luggage namin. Yan yung flight ko. So, si foreigner, napakalakas. So, nang natutuwa ako, narinig sige, push. Parang natatakot na yung nakaupo eh. Tapos, ayan,
Flags are located at all
ito
exits.
naman
Please
yata,
note
yun
where
yung
the emergency exits
dinademonstrate
of the
namin.
aircraft are located.
Mga
They're being pointed
stewardess,
out to you
dalawa po
now,
sila.
bearing in mind that the
Dinademonstrate yung mga
nearest exit
safety
may be behind you.
measures while
During
inside the
evacuation,
plane.
leave your hand, luggage, and
And,
smokers present.
mga
Keep
safety
low
gear.
and follow the path lights to the
If I'm
nearest exit
mistaken,
as
no? Hindi
indicated.
naman
A copy of
kasi
the safety
magaling
information
doon.
card is in your
First time ko,
pocket.
but I
Please
want
read
my
carefully
YouTube
passengers
na
and
magkaroon naman ng buhay. So,
are
ayan,
requested to
share
study the
ko kung
operation
ano
of
yung
this
mga experience ko.
safety card.
At
And
the
as this
age
is a
of Sweet
non-smoking flight,
51.
please do not smoke throughout the flight.
Sweet
Smoking in the toilet
51,
will
hindi
activate
na
the alarm.
nabuking,
Temporary
kundi
smoke
talagang
detectors
ako
have
na
been
ang
pulled by law.
naglaglag sa
Thank you
sarili
for your
ko.
attention. In preparation for departure, the cabin lights
Sila.
will be dim.
Tapos,
And if you wish to read, please switch on the reading lights located above you. Thank you.
ayan, naglakad siya doon and they found out na meron pang isang vacant, I think, a little bit space kasi meron ditong mga farmers na kinandong yung kanilang luggage. Ayan, in-approach niya na meron pang isang vacant doon. While sanayang mag-travel, ewan ko kung bakit nagkaganon. Tapos yun nga, ginaid nila. Tapos yun, alagay niya na. Siyempre, balik siya sa upuan. Yung mga foreigners na nakakatuwa, ang sasaya nila sa plane. Mula nung sumakay sila, nakatulog lang nung umandar na. So, yan po guys. Experience.